Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Tab, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, open Clock app and tap on Alarm section at the top on the left. Then, before creating your alarm, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Settings. Now you can adjust all of those under Alarms however you wish to. And when you are finished, go back. To create your alarm, select this plus. And finally, set up an hour. Then click on OK at the bottom left corner. Right corner, to add your alarm. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. At the top, select Add Label and label your alarm however you wish to. Tap on OK. Pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. And exclude some days of the week by tapping on this plus next to Pause Alarm. And adjusting it however you wish to. For example, I don't want my alarm to ring next weekend. To save your changes, next weekend over here. To save your changes, hit OK. Now tap on this little bell. Tap on YouTube Music and log into your account to use music from it, or click on Sounds. Now you can choose Record New and record any sound you like. Tap on Add New to pick music from your tablet, or simply apply one of those melodies by clicking on the best one, like for example Gentle Breeze. Wherever you decided, just go back, and as you can see, after that my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely thanks to this switcher next to it, and turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it, tap on Delete at the bottom left corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!